Good afternoon, dear children. I welcome you all to another session of EVS interactive class. In our last session, we had discussed about beaks of birds. And in today's session, we will discuss chirp of birds, means the sounds produced by birds. Birds do not have teeth, but they have a tongue that helps them to make sounds called chirping. A chirp is the short high sound a bird makes. Birds chirping is rather simple, but it means a lot. Birds chirp to indicate danger, warning, and communication. Birds produce different types of sounds, like they may sing. When birds are making a musical sound, then that is called singing. The singing of bird is quite sweet and agreeable, often with a melodious tone. In most cases, male birds sing. And next type of sound that is produced by birds is tweet, or we can say tweeter, or cheep, or chirp, whatever. So these are all same. It means when birds are making short high sounds, then that is called tweet or chirp. Next type of sound which is produced by birds is shriek, or we can say cry. It's a very loud, piercing sound made by a bird. Next type of sound that is produced by birds is hoot. The deep sound made by an owl is called hoot. And one more type of sound is produced by some birds, that is whistle. Some of the singing birds are cuckoo, American robin, Asian quail, nightingale, canary, and skylark. And the bird which is famous for its whistling is cedar waxwing.